a plant piping basic tutorial. This video shows how to set up the automatic annotation generation in a piping isometric. As for other settings, it is advisable to work inside an isometric file, because in this way we could directly check the results of any changes. We select in the menu the Annotation option, where we can automatically regenerate the annotations, modifying the corresponding setup and manually placing any additional required note. We attempt to delete all current notes, and let's see how the criteria to automatically place notes are defined. The rule is very simple. The checked options generate the corresponding note. Coordinates can be placed automatically on line continuations or equipment nozzle only. Access line elevation can be automatically placed in any elevation change. It is always possible to add any of the available notes in semi-manual way working inside of the extracted isometric. Let's see how to modify the format of each note that is defined for each note type. For example, we select the line continuation. For each note type, we always have two possibilities: a text with a prefix, which in this case is cont, or a block with an attribute. Other options are available. To place a reference line, in this case, to place in the text the isometric sheet number. To place the note oriented as the UCS view, or not checking this option and leave the same orientation as the component that is being annotated. Trying to place the note in a void space around the symbol, with the default position with respect to the symbol. Selecting the note for spools, we see that it is set up to place the block on ANN-SPL. The note is written in these cases in the anno attribute of the block. We see the other configuration parameters, and changing to text, the content of this editing box is interpreted as a prefix, as we have already seen in the previous case. Other settings are available here. This one is the layer where the notes are written, either in case of text or blocks. This one is the color assigned to that layer. The color of the layer used to draw the reference lines. Its name is automatically generated adding a fileline L to the annotation layer. The rest of the parameters refer to the text. In case of notes with more than one line, the interline value is used to set them apart. We generate again the annotation, and given that the drawing is intelligent, we can manually place any of the notes available in the menu, for example, the bob elevation. And now a top elevation at the T center. In the same way, any other note could be placed at any time.